Moving towards digitalization. Are we ready? Friends, today we would be discussing the fourth part of the series, wherein we are discussing what is digitization, what is digitalization, what are the merits, advantages, disadvantages, benefits, and really, which are very important, the disadvantages of digitalization. Is it facing any challenges also? Or are there any disadvantages, obstacles in the way of digitalization, because this has just entered our lives? So we are discussing, this is the fourth part of the series, we are discussing now what are the demerits of digitalization which has taken place. Now, the third disadvantage of digitalization is the spell checkers. What happens is, now the students in the school especially, because of the spell checkers, that prevents the students from learning the correct spelling, thus resulting in finite spelling mistakes in the paper, because when they have to manually do the paper, they do not remember the spellings, because when they are typing, spell checker is already there. So therefore, this really prevents them from learning something new. The fourth disadvantage, server error and connectivity problems, which we all are facing. Just yesterday we were having a talk show and we all were facing that kind of problem. Now this takes oodles of time to troubleshoot, therefore hindering the complete learning process for both the learner and the educator. Digitalization also leads to wastage of time. Oh really? Does it? How? Now unnecessary issues is not always at all advisable in the schools or any learning institutes where every second is valuable for the learners. Therefore, wastage of time takes place. The next disadvantage, loss of communication skills and the ability for the people to interact with each other, because now we have got everything which is ready-made and we do not communicate or talk with the friends about the problems that we are facing while learning. The next disadvantage is loss of interpersonal and cooperation skills, which is very important for the students, and they usually develop within a classroom setting only, not via digitalization. Next, it's very expensive. Now, in order for a school to use technology like this, they may have to pay for it, which is difficult for most of the public schools to do because of the sheer cost. And now, this is also difficult for the parents because the students become so much accustomed to some technology that they do not have at home, and they just are they're just fighting with the parents at time because they need the same technology which is available in the school, but now because of its cost it's not available at home. Therefore, it again creates problems at home as well. Now coming to the conclusion part of all these videos that we have seen, what we have realized is the key to technology in the classroom is always going to be the teacher and student relationship, whatever may happen, because that's where the education actually happens, where in a classroom. Technology can be a highly effective tool, but that's all it is, a tool, because man has created technology and technology has not created man. Technology is not meant to replace the teacher. No, rather, the idea is to create a flexible learning environment that breeds innovation. It shifts the classroom experience from the sage on a stage approach to a more collaborative learning environment. The success of every such endeavor will ultimately depend upon how technology is applied to keep the students engaged. It can be frustrating and time consuming, but at the end, technology in education can pave the way to new experiences, new discoveries, and new ways of learning, and of course, collaborating. So friends, in these all 4 episodes, we discussed about what is digitization, what is digitalization, and what are the merits and demerits of both the same. Are we really prepared for that? I'm really sure that you must have liked all these videos, and in case you like them, do subscribe the channel, and yes, of course, do press on the bell icon also, so that you get to know whenever we upload new and many interesting more videos. Thank you so much. Bye for now.